Today, I'm showing you how to set any song as your Android ringtone. It's much easier than iPhone. Let's get started. What you'll need. You just need the song file saved on your Android device. You can download it from your music app, transfer it from your computer, or use any MP3 file you have. Method 1. Using built-in settings. The easiest. Step 1. Open Settings. Open your phone's Settings app and go to Sound or Sound and Vibration. The name varies by device. Step 2. Select Ringtone. Tap on Phone Ringtone or just Ringtone. You'll see a list of default ringtones. Step 3. Add Custom Ringtone. Look for an option that says Add Ringtone, My Sounds, or a plus icon. Tap it. This opens your file manager. Step 4. Select your song. Browse to your Downloads, Music folder, or wherever your song is saved. Tap on the song file to select it. The song will now appear in your ringtone list. Tap it to set it as your default ringtone. Method 2. Using a file manager. Step 1. Create Ringtones folder. Open your File Manager app. Navigate to your internal storage. Create a new folder called Ringtones if it doesn't already exist. Make sure to spell it exactly as ringtones. Step 2. Copy your song. Find the song file you want to use in your Downloads or Music folder. Long press on it and select Copy or Move. Paste it into the Ringtones folder you just created. Step 3. Set as ringtone. Go to Settings, Sound, Ringtone. Your song should now appear in the ringtone list automatically. Tap it to set it as your ringtone. And that's it. You've successfully set a custom song as your Android ringtone using the easiest method for your device.